Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 63 reg wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with a TBC conversion. So registered on the 31st of the 1st 2014 for you taxi drivers whose authorities require vehicles under a certain age. And suitable for also private mobility users and care homes as well as taxi drivers. So pretty standard as it goes with the Caddy Maxis in the wheelchair conversion. The dark grey and the light grey cloth interior. This is a 5-speed manual gearbox with the air conditioning, electric windows, electric heated mirrors, CD player, ABS, all the standard extras that you will find on a wheelchair access vehicle. So as you'll see from the short video, the vehicle's in grade A condition, as is with our other 25 or so wheelchair access vehicles. If you want to have a look at our full stock, you can either give us a call on 01634 716 911. We'll quite happily text you a link to the stock, or you can go directly to our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. So there's a 5-seat plus wheelchair conversion, so you use all 5 seats, plus you can get a wheelchair or mobility scooter in the back. Got around about a 55-inch floor, but if you have any concerns with the length and the width, etc., give us a call with your dimensions and we'll let you know whether the vehicle is suitable for you. So we can do home viewings if you wanted us to bring the car to you if you can't get to us. So it is quite essential that the wheelchair or scooter dimensions we have, just so that we can make sure we're bringing a suitable car to you. So the standard 4-point fixing on the wheelchair, which is the 2 electric belts at the front, and there's a switch on the side here. Bring that down and that will allow the belts to come out of the vehicle. Okay, with the switch off they won't come out, so that's how the securing works. And then at the back here on what we call mushroom pods are 2 manuals, so we can give you a full demonstration either at the comfort of your own home or on the premises at Cooling Road service station in Wainscott in Kent. If you're visiting us and you want to use the sat nav, the postcode's ME24RL. As you can see, a lovely vehicle. We do have other makes, models and different conversions of this vehicle, so if you want to pop along and see us, we can show you a variety of vehicles. Other than that, if you're set on a particular vehicle, whether it's this one or one of our other WAVs, then we can bring the vehicle to you, no problem, and show you at your own home. As I say, 5-seat plus wheelchair. You can turn it into a 7-seat option, depending on how you want that done. Will depend on the cost. So if you do need to cost that up, give us a call on 01634 716 911. We'll happily help you out where we can. We'll also help you out with the part exchange price for your vehicle. It doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We can get a part exchange price for pretty much any vehicle. So again, give us a call or pop along and see us and we'll help you where we can. As you can see, very nice vehicle. Full main dealer service history. The cam belt and water pump's been changed on this vehicle as well. They're direct from Motability, so well maintained to main dealer specification. If you need to finance any vehicles that we have, you can do so and apply online directly from the vehicle on the website, which is premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Alternatively, give us a call, we'll send you a quick quote. You can apply at your leisure. We don't take any personal details, that's between you and the finance company, and we'll have an answer within a few minutes. So if you want to take us up on any of our products, vehicles, any information, whatever you need, give us a call on 01634 716 911 and we'll point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.